Okay, here's Mary. Somewheres. There she is. We're on our way to... yeah, we're on our way to Gatlinburg. First stop, we're just outside of Lexington, Kentucky. I'd say about 20 miles or so from Lexington, Kentucky, just north. Here's the new trailer. She's riding along real well. Everything's going good. Dodge is doing okay. Turned over 70,000 miles on the way down. So,
beautiful weather.
Yeah. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Good. Yeah, it's nice.
Weather.
It's probably in the mid-60s right here. It's very windy, so. But anyways, why don't we get back in and continue on our trip, okay?
10-4.
10-4. Well, here we are. We finally made it to Gatlinburg. Got here about 4 o'clock, a little before. Got the trailer set up. We're in a really nice campground. Got the site by the creek, although they give us a nice fence to look at. Oh, here she comes. Hi, Mary.
Hi.
How are you?
Okay, how are you?
Good. What's new?
Not much.
Good. We're gonna set out here. And we got a part of a full moon coming up. It's really clear out now. Guess it's supposed to be a nice day tomorrow. So we'll see. Let's say bye, Mary.
Bye. Until tomorrow.
Okay. Okie dokie. Here we are. Sugarland Visitor Center. About to go in the Smoky Mountains. The National Park, I should say. We're just checking everything out here, getting a lay of the land. Mary's got her hiking shoes on. She wants to hike the longest trail. Don't you, Mary? So you ready to go, Chief?
Yep.
Are ya? About to have fun?
Yep.
Okay. We'll see ya.
Okay, now it's recording. Okay, we're on our way to Kate's Cove. I'm kind of a little nervous because the roads are kind of narrow. We almost got hit head on by some idiot. Dan said he would have beat him up if he would have. And I said I probably would have helped him. As you can see, all the trees up there.
7 miles.
And we got Elvis playing in the background. You having a good time?
Yeah.
Good.
You know how to zoom in and out with that thing?
Yeah, I just did it a couple of times.
Oh, okay.
I'm doing it right now. I'm not very good at this, though.
I know you're not.
I'm going to sign off.
Sign up. Hey, here we are. We're going to get on some horses and take a ride. Pick out some big sturdy ones. There's their choice. What do you think, Mary?
I'm kind of nervous.
Are you? You were nervous since we left Battle Creek.
No, it.
What a dork. So, nice day out here. So, nice day. And we'll just wait for our horse to arrive. She is, she's getting on. Yay. We got one.
Pull back on them reins, guys. Pull back on them reins. Oh, lucky, lucky.
Horse is getting a little wild here.
Hey, y'all don't let these girls get up front.
What do you think, Mary? Yeah, he's good. Yeah. Horse is getting a little out of getting ready to roll. Got the man here taking care of him. Mary's on Pee-wee. So, well, we'll see what happens.
Pardon me?
Okay, we're up here on Ace. Kinda, whoa Ace, whoa Ace. Whoa Ace, settle down
You don't
Ace.
like to stop them, don't you?
No.
You pull up on their reins.
Okay. Well, we're on the horse. Ace gets tired.
I found it pretty good.
She's gonna get on me and I'll ride me for a while. That's if we get tired. So.
Okay, guys, listen up, please.
We got instructions coming.
Be sure you keep
Coming down, we're gonna cross the river. Our first major task of the day. Hopefully Ace will do the job well. We'll see. Got some deer down here. I can see them. I can't drive this horse and shoot pictures at the same time very well. They're off in the woods there, a couple deer. Very tame animals around here. Anyways, we're on this here trail ride. There's Mary, and like I say, up ahead. There's Mary's horse's butt. There's Mary's butt. So, kind of bumpy, I don't know. I think in the Old West it might have been easier to walk. But, maybe not. Nice day out. Nice blue sky. Here comes another trail rider. How you doing?
Doing fine. How about you?
Good.
Well, good. You all enjoy your ride.
We will, thank you. Whoa, Ace. Whoa, Ace. Here we're going. Got no timer up there holding up traffic. I don't know what his problem is, but we're not allowed to pass. But my horse is doing well. Mary's horse is tired. Very tired. We're just cruising along. Nice day out here. Real nice. Yeehaw. Makes me feel like a cowboy. Just about done. Almost back to base camp. Gotta cross the river. Now, do you have to cross that log? Huh? Anyways, we're almost back. We gotta park the horse, get back in the Dodge. But horses prohibited beyond this point. Okay. So signing it out. Yeah?
Tips are, stop tips.
Are they? Okay.
We finished the ride. It was a lot of fun. My back is killing me, but we'll sign off right now.
Okay, here we are. We're in the Caves Cove area again, still. There's the Primitive Baptist Church. Some of the graves. Some of them are pretty old out here. We're taking an 11-mile loop to explore how these people used to live 150 years ago. What do you think, Mary?
I don't know what I want to say.
She don't know nothing.
Here, infant, here's another one.
An infant? 1932.
Born and died, 1932.
So, well, let's carry on, shall we? Here we are deeper in the Caves Cove area. Just a shot of the area. There's the mountains over in there. It's nice out here though. There's Mary in the Dodge. Oh, here comes a bunch of cars. Hey. Getting some shots out and around. Boy, everybody's all of a sudden caught up with me. Oh well. We're out of here. There's the mountains up there. Here we are at the Caves Cove area still. Old milling some corn right now inside here.
Good workout already before we came here.
We had a good little workout. Locked the keys in the truck. My cool head and quick thinking took care of that problem in just a minute or two. Well, maybe 5 minutes, but didn't even break the truck getting in it. Got a couple tools and wham wham. Took the door right off the hinges. No problem. So anyways, we're just kind of cruising around. They got some little old buildings here. Most of these buildings came from different parts of the park one time or the other. And we're just going to check them out. What do you think, Mary?
So-so.
You having fun?
Yeah, I'm having fun.
Are you? Good. So let's look at a few buildings. Here's your typical old hillbilly cabin. I can see Mary sitting up there smoking her pipe, chewing tobacco, telling some tall stories.
And spitting.
Yep. Typical looking hillbilly house. Up here in the middle of nowhere. At one time it was. Now they get more traffic here than most streets get all day. Just come and come and come. Right, Mary?
Yep.
A big cahoot.
Here's a big house.
Some more shots around the Caves Cove area. Big tall hill over there. I think I heard a turkey down there. Down in that neck of the woods. Sounded like one. They really do. Just stay here and see if we can see or hear another one. We'll give it a listen.
Is it on?
I don't know. Did you turn the power on? I can go now. I'll pull up ahead of him, Mary.
No, it's all right. Just go as you go by.
Car's behind me.
Just go as you go by. That's fine. I got him.
Yeah?
Yep. You know,
it all comes on the side anyway.
I know it, but I don't want to waste it. Save it for the next person.
Here's Mary, much lots of peanuts. Got a big thing of peanuts over here. We're here at Jesse's Steakhouse, having lunch. Got some music going on there. Front end of a car.
And watch this.
What's what?
Yeah?
Yeah, and he toss them on the floor. They're all over the place.
That's the fun about it.
Yep. Very fun. I have to clean it up either.
Joe Diffie's on.
Yeah. Melanie Millsap's on the jukebox and Joe Diffie's on the TV. You know that?
Where's the TV at?
So,
Don't record me eating.
what did you think of the Smoky Mountains?
It was nice.
It was nice. She was scared. She was terrified. It's in turning roads. Oh, I'm so nervous. I wish we could just hit the shopping mall. I don't mind the twitching and swishing and swerving little narrow shopping aisle. But a little road? No way.
I think you're over-exaggerating.
I don't.
Yeah, you are.
We're out of here. Say goodbye to the folks.
Bye.
Here we go.
Folks, I'd like to welcome you all aboard Gatlinburg.
On the way to over Gatlinburg.
I'm going to be the operator on the way up. Any of y'all riding for the first time?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's see some hands. I want to see how many people I got watching. Let me tell you, the train was built in 1973 at a cost of about $5.5 million. That got your attention, didn't it? We're going to travel 2.1 miles up the mountain, 17 miles an hour. It's going to take 10 minutes if nothing happens. Also, I'll tell you, the train's made over 360,000 successful trips. We've never lost a car. Found every one right where it landed. Also, I'd like to explain the evacuation procedure at this time. Men, listen closely. We evacuate same as board ship. Throw women and children out first. We do have an advantage on this ride. Also, for the most part, we're going to be traveling 200 feet off the ground. Every tower we cross is 200 feet. We will get higher. I will let you know where. And for all y'all that's hanging onto them straps, bars, poles, got your knuckles white by now, I did.
How you doing, Mary?
Okay.
Good. Are you nervous? She's nervous. Okie dokie, we've arrived at Ober Gatlinburg. Now we're continuing up even higher on these chair lifts. They look like this, except for we're on one going up. Obviously they're coming down. Down below us is a slide. You can slide down. But anyways, I guess you can also ski down if there was snow, but there's no snow. This is quite the ride here. What do you think, Mary? Interesting, isn't it? Are you nervous?
No, not really.
I was at first.
Well, when he didn't snap, I thought we were going to have to stay like this.
I did too. I thought we were going to leave without the gate down. Hold on, mister. Jeez. I was nervous when I got on the horse, too, though, I tell you. The first few steps it took, I thought we were going to fall off, but we made it. We're only 100 feet or so off the ground.
But if we fell, we'd die, I think.
We would hope we died.
Huh?
We would hope we died. But they probably haven't lost too many people. They found everybody that's crashed. They found them right where they fell, you think? Nobody's coming down the slide, though. But anyways, we'll sign off for now. Okay, here's somebody sliding down. That's not going too fast.
He's holding it, that's why.
Yeah, he's backing up. He's got a kid there that's doing it. It's like a luge run, you know, like in the Olympics.
Well, you couldn't get me to do that now.
That wouldn't be so bad. I think I'll do it and you can ride down this by yourself.
That's fine. I'll watch you.
Huh. Kind of peaceful. But anyways, we'll sign off again. Oh, I see somebody else. Here they come right through there. We won't sign out. We might miss them though. They're going a little faster, I think. Oh, we're not going to see them. There they are. Oh, you can actually stop in the middle of the thing.
Yes.
Actually, that looks safer than this, Mary.
Huh?
The slide looks safer than coming down on this.
Smile.
Smile.
You're next.
Okay. We have finally made it to the top. There's Gatlinburg nestled way down there. Way down there, right about where that needle space needle is, where we're parked. And we're looking off into the Smoky Mountains. Here's what we rode up here. But anyways, kind of hazy up here. What do you think, Mary?
Very nice.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Good. And well, we're basically at the top of the mountain here. Nothing going on up here. Just people getting off and looking around. So we're gonna drink a pop, and we'll head back way down there, all by cable cars, all the way down. We're out of here. Okay, we're on our way down. All the way down to there. That's Gatlinburg. Then we take another tram down to there, to Gatlinburg. So, we're on our way. How you doing there, Mary?
All right.
Doing good? Good. Me too. Here went the other car. Gatlinburg.
It depends, like I said, it depends on the way you can.
This is what I'm going to show you what Dan's been doing. He's been eating. What are you having, Dan?
Ice cream cone.
What kind?
German chocolate cake.
Oh. What's in German chocolate cake? Kim would like to know that.
Kim? It's got coconut and caramel and chocolate chunks.
She
Here,
would.
have a lick.
She wouldn't like to bite a coconut.
That's Kim's problem.
Nope. Wave goodbye.
And here we are. We're downtown Gatlinburg. Getting a few shots around. There's a shot of them down the Main Street area. But things are going pretty good. A lot of flowers out and stuff.
I'm tired.
She's tired now? I just thought you weren't tired a few minutes ago.
No, I'm not. I mean, see
Yeah.
if I keep going.
Oh, okay. Here's a shot up the other way. Stores and restaurants and stores and restaurants. And more stores and restaurants. There's the Guinness World Records. We haven't been in there. We might. Maybe not. Yeah, there she is. How are you, Mary?
Fine.
Well, what do you think?
Relaxing.
Relaxing. We just walked into town. Probably a mile. Probably a 2-mile round trip. Did some shopping, had some supper. We're going to pack up and get out of here tomorrow. Heading to Nashville, Music City. Going to go to Opyreland. Go to the Grand Ole Opry. We had a little change of plans down here. Decided to get out of town a little early. A lot of crowds and
so much you can do here.
There's a lot to do, but a lot of it's just shopping and go-kart tracks, and if you like that.
I've had enough for shopping.
We've had enough shopping, yeah. But anyways, I don't know if I got shots of the old campground or not, did I?
I don't think so.
Here's the old campground here. I don't know if I showed it. Jeez, well, we'll look at it again. There's got a river back here. All this woods out on the other side. We'll walk out here to the road, take a shot up and down. Very nice campground, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Very nice and clean.
Yep. Yeah, here's the bathhouse right there. Nice, clean, very clean, new bathrooms. I'd say they're new this year. They have to be. They look so good. There's at least 2 sets of these in this little campground. Swimming pool up by the main gate. And here we're kind of down the row here. Up that ways out. It's nestled in this little valley here. It's pretty nice down in here. Nice evening. Shooting over here. Here's more campground, but they were doing some work over here the other day when we got here. Putting sewer in. They said. So there's another, I guess 125 sites at this place. There, that old camper. Yuck. We got the good one over here. Here's the Dodge. She's happy. But anyways, we're out of here. Mary has seemed to attract a flock of ducks with her Rice Krispies treats. They like them. They like them a lot. Don't you guys? They could get stuck in their throat, so that gooey marshmallow. Rice Krispie treats. What do you think, Mary? Do you think they like them?
I think so. I'm trying to get that one over there so he can have some.
He'll move in if he wants them.
Well, I think he's let... Oh, now they're fighting.
Hey, you tell.
Well, maybe it's mating time.
Okay. We're here at Opyreland, about to go in. Are you excited, Mary?
Yep.
Good. We're going to head on in, see what's going on here today. We got out of Gatlinburg. Seems we're running out of things to do down there. Kind of slow. So we thought we'd come up here for a while and see what's going on. So hang on, you'll see the trip too.
I was going to slip back into our house, try not to make any noise. I even turned the lights off on the truck when I pulled up into the drive, and I eased in through the back door with much to my surprise. A ball bat hit me on the head, son, it brought me to my knees. When the kitchen lights come on, my wife was standing up astraddling me. She said, "Oh, I'm sorry, where in the world have you been?" Neighborhood watch just called and said some goon was breaking in. Neighborhood watch has got its eye on you. They're taking names, making notes on everything you do. Their eyes and ears are open and they'll never miss a clue. Neighborhood watch. Her favorite is hard between Visa Discover and MasterCard. She got a handful of plastic she gets out of the truck. I know she don't mean no harm, but if she don't quit shopping, we're fixing to lose a farm. It beats all I've ever seen. Sweetie was born to shop. Born to shop. Born to shop. Ain't nothing spending money she got 3 closets full of nothing to wear. Can't do a damn thing with her hair, Lord, I'll declare. Sweetie was born to shop. Then one day, it all took a turn for the worse. A thief stole her purse, took her credit cards, and headed for Timbuktu. She said, "Mike, call the law."
What do you think, Mary? Check out a show. Different entry at the Durango Theater. Folks piling in.
I don't know what there is about you.
Coffee and a couple dollars change for that fruit. Opyreland once put me on through. Gotta send my love down to Baton Rouge. Nobody else put her on the line. Gotta talk to the girl that I run for time. Hello, sunrise here. I hope you're feeling fine. It won't be long until I'm with you all the time. But until then, I'll spend time on you right down to my last dime. Getting out of the way. And then for my next trick. We was riding down the highway here a while back on the bus. I looked out the window. Coming by us was this great big bright orange Peterbilt truck. That ain't supposed to happen right there. This great big Peterbilt truck. And down the hood of that truck it said the Orange Blossom Special. Well, I thought to myself, now that right there is a modern day Orange Blossom Special. So right now, if you listen, you're going to hear a big truck horn. And if you listen real close, you're going to hear it go right by you. One, two, three, four. All right, give me five. Take a five. Y'all get working, big man. Thank you, darling. You did good. Thank you, folks. God bless every one of you. But you watching the Black Creek, we appreciate you coming to see our show today. Opyreland, USA.
What do you think, Mary? How'd you enjoy them shows?
Good.
Good. We're gonna have a little bite to eat now. Catfish, chicken, all you can eat. $8.95. Got these big pops. That was good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah. And then maybe later on we're going to get a funnel cake.
Funnel cakes, shopping, and the Grand Ole Opry later on tonight. Yep. 10-4.
10-4.
We're out of here. Okay, here's some shots inside Opyreland. Nice crowd here today. Looking around. A lot of people. Here's Mary. Here's what she's doing. She's getting something. That's where she spends her time. But anyway, that's beside the point. We'll shoot around over this way, see what's going on. Take a look around. merry-go-round. The ducks from Gatlinburg followed us. They liked Mary's Rice Krispie treats, I guess. Oh, whatever. See if we can find her. She's back here. Hey, we're way up on top, ain't we, Mary?
Yeah.
Woo! We're way up on the cable cars on Opyreland here. Looking down, or looking across. There she is down below. Yay! Sights, yikes.
Looks like they're building something new here, right here.
Oh yeah, they are. Something major going in.
Try that one ride.
Getting kind of light. We're opening and not even doing anything. Huh.
So you having fun?
Oh yeah. There's one of the theaters over there. Don't wiggle this car, Mary. Jeez.
Am I wiggling it?
No.
Oh.
There's the Opyreland Hotel over there, doing a lot of work over on there. Major work. Look at all the cranes. All the way down through there. That's where we saw Joe Diffie, right down there.
Yep. The Chevrolet.
Yep. Hi. We're approaching on the end. Yeah, it's not very long. We're on our way down.
I thought you said 15 minutes.
No, I said we waited in line 15 minutes. Good grief. We're out of here. We got to get off.
Hey, that's a new store.
Okay, here's the radio announcer of AM 650 in there. There he's waving. Yay. This is his radio station. 650 AM, WSM. What do you think, Mary?
I think it was kind of funny.
Kind of funny? Yeah, kind of funny. A ball of laughs. What do you want to do?
Let's go walking.
Okay, we're out of here.
Go that way.
Let's look here. Shooting around the park a little bit. A lot of tulip stuff out here. A lot of them dead already. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, their spring's a good month ahead of us, I think, at least.
How many?
I'd say at least a month ahead of us. They're, you know. But, I don't know. I don't know. Let's head out. All aboard! Here we're riding on choo-choo train.
I'm kind of nervous.
She's nervous again. We're cruising. A lot more reliable train than Amtrak we're on. For Amtrak would already be 20 minutes late.
Yeah, that's true. If that.
Yep.
Here's the Doc's ice cream.
Really?
I think I want to get one of those.
Oh, okay.
This is the home of the temporarily closed because of high wind conditions. This is various domestic and exotic. Rockin' USA in the daytime, and major country stars performing here in the evening.
Yay! What do you got there, Mary?
Ice cream dots.
Ice cream pellets.
Here.
Little ice cream pellets. Good gravy. Go ahead, Mary.
Shoot. I don't think so.
Guy's gonna get pulled up there and let go.
Loading dock is now being pushed back.
Watch.
Once again, Flight 201 is getting their final. While Flight 201 now is being hoisted to the top of our tower.
You want to try again?
Nope. Probably the line's too long. I don't know where the line is,
Right
but.
there. It's up there.
Oh, there's more people than that.
I think so.
3, 2, 1, fly! And here they come, our three flyers at 60 miles an hour through the zoom zone. There's a lot of ways to fly the Sky Coaster, but the best way is to be sure you spread your wings when you come through our Sky Coaster arch. That is our Sky Coaster motto because you get the best aerodynamic flight through the arch, coming through at 60 miles an hour.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Hey, we got some boys gonna do it again.
Flight 201 looks a little tangled up over there, but the ground crew's going to get them untangled. They're getting ready to be put on our loading dock over there on Flight 201. Okay, Flight 101 is almost to the top of the tower. They can almost touch the Sky Coaster.
Here we go. They're going to get ready.
For them. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, fly!
Here they go.
Dropping at 43 speed a second right off that arch top of there. Believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, we did have a 91-year-old grandmother fly the Sky Coaster. 91-year-old. She brought 16 of her grandchildren to come watch.
She's mighty tall and handsome, and knows quite well by all. She's a combination on the wall, and she ain't it. Well, thank you, friends and neighbors, and welcome to the outro. We'd like to get things started right now with a good friend of mine. You know her as the queen of country music, Miss Kitty Wells.
It wasn't God who made honky tonk
just a man. Stand by your man. It can't too long to cling to, and something warm to come to. When I first loved you, stand by your man and show the world you love him. Keep giving all the love you can. Stand by your
Thing, Mary.
I'm tired.
Are you really? Still gotta go to the Opry. Can you make it?
Yep, I'll
Okay.
make it there.
Good.
That'll keep me awake.
Yeah. Well, it's nighttime here at Opyreland. We're on our way out. We're going to the Opry in a little bit. I don't know how long. If I can get my... about an hour.
Oh, it's longer than an hour, isn't it?
That's 9:23. 8:23 Nashville time. So we're going to cruise out of here. And probably go out to the car for a few minutes and come back for Grand Ole Opry. We are going to be out temporarily. Here we're searching frantically for the car. Somebody parked it out in the middle of nowhere. Do you know where it's at?
I think it's down there farther.
Down here? She says it's down there. We've walked for 20 minutes.